Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising SA1 syllabus. So today let us see poem Sailing to the Stars. Sailing to the stars, reaching to the stars. Alright, so let's start the first stanza. Up in the sky where the stars shine bright, that's where I will be, enjoying the thrills of outer space and all there is to see. Here, up in the sky. So where are the stars, children? The stars will be up in the sky, right? So it shines bright. So that's where I will be. So this boy is saying that he wants to go to the sky to see the stars. So that's where I will be. Enjoying the thrills of outer space. He wanted to enjoy the thrills of the outer space, nothing but an empty area surrounding the sun, the stars and the planets. This boy wanted to go to the sky and want to see the outer space. All there is to see. So what is there in the outer space? The sun, the stars, the moons, the planets, right? So this boy wanted to go to the sky and wanted to see all these. Next, a quick trip to Mars is the first place I will go. So where did the boy wanted to go? Yeah, first trip he wanted to go to Mars. Then it's off to see Saturn's rings, and after that, who knows? So then the second trip he want to go to see the Saturn rings. Alright, he wanted to go to Saturn and see its rings. Then afterwards, what happens, who knows? Whether I may come to the sky or not, he is saying. For now though, I'll stay put. Mom said lunch is at noon. But after that, I'll take off. My ship is in my room. Then, so here stay put is nothing but be in the same place and not move. For now, he is not moving because his mom said that afternoon time will be the time of lunch. After taking the lunch, you have to stay. You have to go to the spaceship. So my ship is in my room. He said that my ship is in my room. The speaker here, the boy, decides to stay back in the end because he wants to have his lunch at noon. Here, ship is nothing but spaceship, a vehicle that carries people or things to the moon and the planets. It's called spaceship. This is the spaceship, children. Alright, so this was the explanation of this poem. Now let us see question answers. Answer these questions. First one, that's where I will be. Where does the speaker want to be? Yes, the speaker wants to go to outer space and visit the stars and planets. Very good. Next, second question. What does he want to do there? He wants to enjoy the thrills of outer space. He wants to enjoy the thrills of outer space. Next, second. Is the first place I will go. Where does the speaker want to go first? Yes, the speaker wants to go first to Mars. Next, where will he go after that? Yeah, then he wants to go to Saturn and see its rings. Third one, why does the speaker decide to stay back in the end? The speaker decides to stay back in the end because he wants to have his lunch at noon. That's why he decided to stay back in the end. So children, those who don't have these question answers, please write down and complete this poem notes. Alright. Next, B bit is not necessary. Let us see C bit, second one. First one is also not necessary, children. Pick out the words from the poem which rhyme with. C, rhyming word is B. C, B. C, B. S-E-E-C, B-E, B. Whereas room, room, noon, room, noon, room, noon. Alright. Now, children, this was the explanation of the poem. Now, let us see meanings of third and fourth lesson. Okay, let us revise once. Alright, here we go. Third lesson meanings. Let us see. Dew. Dew is nothing but tiny drops of water found on cool surfaces at night. Tiny drops of water found on cool surfaces at night. Whereas second one, a way out. A way to end their trouble. A way to end their trouble. So these meanings also you have to learn, children. Okay. Next, third, swayed, moved slowly from side to side. Swayed, moved slowly from side to side. Fog is nothing but small drops of water. Small drops of water, you can remember easily. Alright, this autumn is not necessary. As you know, this autumn season, it comes between summer and winter. That's it. So now let us see fourth lesson meanings. Fourth lesson meanings. Carpenter is nothing but the person who makes chairs. Alright. Lonely. Lonely is nothing but sad because he was alone. Sad because he was alone. Tapped. Hit gently and repeatedly. Hit gently and repeatedly. Making short noises. Bumped into. Ran into. Bumped into. Ran into. Geppetto. Say Geppetto. Geppetto. No need to learn this one. Next, thieves. Thieves is nothing but the people who steal things which belong to others. Alright. Puppet master is nothing but someone who makes puppets. Speak and move. Puppet, a toy in the shape of an animal or person that can be moved with strings. Okay. Next. Delight. Delight is nothing but great happiness. Delight, great happiness. Delight, great happiness. Alright, so that's all for today, children. The fifth lesson I'll be explaining you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.